Escape post-holiday monotony with our guide to winter sports in Aspen, beach getaways in Hawaii, cultural breaks in New York, and Northern Lights expeditions in Alaska. Unveil 10 enticing escapes, promising unforgettable moments beyond the festive season. Head to popular winter destinations like Aspen, Colorado, or Lake Tahoe, California for skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. Escape the winter chill by heading to warmer climates like Florida, Hawaii, or the Caribbean for a relaxing beach vacation. Explore vibrant cities like New York, New Orleans, or San Francisco to experience cultural events, museums, and diverse cuisines. Embrace the beauty of the great outdoors by visiting national parks such as Yellowstone, Grand Canyon, or Yosemite for winter hiking and breathtaking landscapes. Set sail on a cruise to the Caribbean, Mexico, or other tropical destinations for a stress-free and all-inclusive travel experience. Extend the holiday spirit by visiting charming holiday markets in cities like Chicago, Philadelphia, or Charleston, where you can shop for unique gifts and enjoy festive decorations. Take a scenic road trip along the Pacific Coast Highway, California, the Great Ocean Road, Florida, or the Outer Banks, North Carolina, for stunning coastal views. Unwind and rejuvenate after the holiday rush by booking a spa retreat in places like Sedona, Arizona, or Napa Valley, California. Embark on a culinary journey by visiting regions known for their food scene, such as New Orleans for Creole cuisine or Portland, Oregon for its diverse food culture. For a truly unique experience, consider traveling to destinations like Alaska, Canada, or Scandinavia to witness the mesmerizing Northern Lights. Take advantage of this season to spend with your families and loved ones. Check these promotional tours and tickets. Check the link in the description